Hello, welcome to this video. It's PVS the tutor from Genius Pro Online School. We have two figures here, figure 4.1a and figure 4.1b. Each shows cells from the lining of the trachea. One is from a smoker and one is from a non-smoker. They have given that one is from a smoker and one is from a non-smoker. I think by even from the diagrams you can tell. You can see these are larger, but look at this thing is bigger. This one is smaller. I think from here you can categorize which one is coming from a smoker and which one is coming from a non-smoker. Right, anyway, let's go. Identify D and E in 4.1a. So from this one, what is D? D is actually cilia. E, you can see, so these things that you are seeing, this is mucus. So this part here is what you call a goblet cell, or you can call it a gland cell. If you want, you can call it a mucus producing cell. So we call it a goblet cell. Others call it a gland cell, or you can call it a mucus producing cell. Good, correct. Describe the function of D. So if D here was wrong, meaning even the function here is wrong. So what's the function of cilia? I'll give you two functions. Number one, it helps moving the mucus towards the throat. So movement of mucus towards the throat. The second one is it also moves mucus away from the lungs, meaning it is moving it up toward the throat, especially the mucus which is containing deity. So movement of mucus containing germs away from the lungs. From 2 marks. This is why they put 2 marks there, is for you to state two functions. You have a problem. You don't want to look at the number of marks allocated. You just want to explain. Look at the number of marks. How many points are required? 2. Provide them. All right. Then figure 4.2a and 4.2b are again shown. Remember here we had 4.1a and 4.1b. Now they have given us 4.2a and 4.2b. That shows the cross-section through the alveoli of a smoker and non-smoker. Here they're giving us the alveoli, but here they gave us what? The trachea. The difference? All right, so here is a trachea, here is a trachea, but here is a cross-section through the alveoli. Identify the figures on this page that show the trachea and the alveoli of the smoker. Which one here is a smoker? Let's start with the trachea. Let's come here. Between this figure and that figure, which one is coming from a smoker? 1, 2, 3 is this. Just look at how much mucus is being produced. These are people cough everywhere. Why they are producing too much mucus? This is a mucus because it's a lot. So figure 4.1b is coming from a smoker as a trachea because we follow the order, right? So it's figure 4.1b. Then what about the alveoli side? Let's come to these figures here, the alveoli. Which one is coming from a smoker? 1, 2, 3. This one. Look at the walls. They are quite spaced, like very spaced, meaning the alveoli have been destroyed. Like the walls of them, most of them, they have been destroyed by the substances that are found in the cigarettes, for example. So it is actually 4.2 a, like that. Clearly, can you fail when someone is explaining to you like this? Unless you just decided to join our own classes today and prepare for success.